Hi there. Today we're showcasing the Indare Kitchen Faucet with a pull-down sprayer in elegant brushed gold. This high-arc, single-handle faucet is made from lead-free, wear-resistant sus-304 stainless steel and features a food-grade ceramic spool for safe, durable use. Installation is simple and requires no plumbing modifications, making it perfect for kitchens, farmhouses, RVs, and laundry areas. The faucet offers 3 spray settings including stream, spray, and dual water jets to tackle tough stains with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation and includes a low-flow mode for efficient water saving. Plus, the pull-down sprayer helps you clean large surfaces quickly and effectively. Upgrade your kitchen with this stylish and functional faucet today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.